Today is a sad day. Today we are doing doom metal. Now obviously I'm joking, I'm kidding. Today is a very good day. We are doing a band that I discovered recently only. It's called Faetooth from the US. They do doom metal, atmospheric fairy metal. Very dark stuff, but yet again very wholesome, I would say. And their new record Labyrinth, it should be out by the time this reaction video will be released. But today we are checking out the video for the song Whole. So very looking forward to that. I love the song. I haven't checked out the video yet. But yeah, I mean, this is probably with the Italian band Messa, the standout doom metal acts of this year, to be fair. So yeah, without further ado, we are checking out Faetooth, and obviously I will put everything in the link in the description below, the original song and all the stuff you need to know with Faetooth. So here we go, we are checking out Faetooth Whole. It's also very, I will not say shoegaze inspired, but obviously there's some Alcest hints and stuff. But very, very dark and ominous, and yet beautiful. So what I like, it feels very organic, even though it's electric bass and guitar and drums. But yeah, it feels kind of organic. Obviously very sad video and song, but at least the setting is nice. Here we go. Wonderful, just wonderful. Such an interesting video as well. And some contemporary dance inspired things. Heavy, heavy, very heavy. One could consider it being basic, but this is far from basic. This is brilliant. This is just brilliant. Shivers. This part is freaking awesome. The perfect ending. What a great band, what a great discovery. This record, like Labyrinth, has been playing for a few days by now. Yeah, it's freaking great, I love it. I mean, this year we've been spoiled with a lot of good doom metal releases. If it's like your traditional doom stuff or more avant-garde atmospheric stuff like this, as again as said, Mesa, doom metal is definitely having a re-emergence, I feel, and yeah, this is great. This is great. I highly recommend checking out Faetooth. These ladies are seriously brilliant songwriters. So yeah, that was it for now. Faetooth with Hole, and we shall see each other again very soon here for some more reaction videos or episodes or whatever. But anyway, until next time.